Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about how to send an HTML email template with Python and the Jinja2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. For the more complex templates, you can use the Jinja2 template engine to handle the placeholders and the logic inside your HTML template. So to make it dynamic, we can use the Jinja2 template engines, right? So let's install this with the help of pip install Jinja2. Okay, let's have a copy this code. Okay, just me hide this. Okay, I think already we have to go with this one only. Okay, just copy and add it. I think this is already added. That is Jinja2 import template SMTP library, and this is mime text and the mime multipart. Okay, so this is done, right? So we have to create the template.html file. Okay, so already created template.html file with the variables, right? Save this. What else we have? I have already created that one. Let me add this one. Okay, done. App.py, email credentials. Let's put the email credentials from the previous one. Where it is, this one. Let's copy this credentials for the email. Okay, now load and render the HTML template using the Jinja2. So this is the method. Okay, template file, template dot render, name John link. This is your HTML content. Okay, so after that, create a email messages. My multi-part alternative, sender emails, receiver email, welcome to our platform, and then attach the HTML content like this. Okay, message dot attach mime text HTML content HTML. Send the email. The same process. Okay, so SMTP lib connection with the host smtp.gmail, because we are using the Gmail 587. Start the TLS, log in with the email and the password. This would be the app password. Send the email on the sender email, receiver email, and the message. Print that email sent successfully. If the exception, then we have to print that exception, else close the finally after that close the connection when the email is sent. Save this. Let's have a look and run it. An email is sent. Let's have a look. Go to the back. So here you can see, hello John, verify your account. Okay, so here this is how you can also send the Jinja templates. More about the Jinja templates we will learn later on. If you want that tutorial also, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.